Ticket prices and entertainment tax levied on them have driven a new controversy between the Kochi franchisee and local corporation. A miffed Kochi franchisee has blasted the corporation, threatening to shift the venue from Kochi next season if the taxes are continued the way they are. Padam joining us with the latest on this. Padam.
Yes, in fact, a miffed Kochi franchise blasted the corporation, Deep, and threatened to shift the venue from Kochi next season if it continued. The latest tussle happened when the Kochi corporation body asked for entertainment tax on the complimentary tickets given away by the franchise. Now, the corporation also asked for taxes on tickets of the grandstand at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium according to old rates. Now, the franchisee, though, said that they had revised those rates to ₹49 per ticket, which has been disapproved by the corporation, accusing the franchise of evading taxes. Now, before I go further, let's take a listen in as to what the two camps have to offer.
കഴിഞ്ഞ രണ്ട് മത്സരങ്ങളിൽ 15000 രൂപയ്ക്ക് ഇരുത്തിയ അതേ സെക്ടറാണ് 49 രൂപയുടെ പുതിയ ടിക്കറ്റ് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതേ സെക്ടറിൽ അത് യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ നഗരസഭയുടെ നികുതി വെട്ടിക്കാനുള്ള ശ്രമമായി ആണ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ശ്രദ്ധയിൽ വന്നത്.
We are just saying that the corporation needs to help us more. This is their game too. It's the city of Cochin's game. It is not my alone game, or it's not Mr. Venugopal's game alone, or the KCA's baby. It is a baby of everyone's. As the first citizen, the corporation has to help us.
Correspondent Pradeep Pillai now joins us. Pradeep, kindly tell us, basically the version coming out from the franchisees are that basically the corporation cannot have a say on to what the price of the ticket has to be. The prerogative lies with the franchise. I mean, is that a solid statement to make?
There is what comes out is a holier than cow attitude, wherein the corporation has asked for taxes. But we must also understand that the corporation had agreed to waiver of entertainment tax so that the IPL matches could be staged in Kochi. Now, there has been a fight between the franchisees and the corporation right from the beginning. And the franchisees had written to the BCCI twice requesting for a shift of venue from Kochi, Kerala to Ahmedabad or Indore. Now, the latest, as Padam rightly pointed out, was the tax on the complimentary tickets, which was originally priced at 15,000, and the corporation was charging taxes on that. Now, this time around, the franchisees repriced it at ₹49 per ticket as they are giving it out as complimentary. We must also note that the same corporation, which is now talking big, had taken 2,500 tickets as complimentary in the first game and 1,500 tickets in the second game. Obviously, now it's politicking and
right, Pradeep.
between the